This quick little video on how to change the batteries on a Logitech M-RCH105 wireless mouse. And to remove it, you'll flip the mouse over. You can put your thumb anywhere on the cover. While pushing down and pulling towards you, it'll open up. Take it off. And with Pulltab still intact, you can pull the batteries out that way. Otherwise, it's easier just to get a fingernail, push down and pull it towards you, and remove it. On this mouse, you want to make sure you have the polarity of the batteries correct. So you'll notice that the label shows the orientation. The battery that goes in on the left, the positive side with the bump, goes up, and the battery on the right, the positive side with the bump on it, goes down. If you put the batteries in the wrong way, the mouse won't work. But then just, once you're done, slide the cover back into place till it clicks, and should be good to go. Hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.